is Alice Dewitt, and today is our 30th day of our Laughter Club. Yes! Thank you so much! We completed 1 month of our Laughter Club. Yes! Thank you for joining me, and thank you for your feedbacks and everything. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. When I started this, I on the second day I was not quite sure what I was doing and why I was doing this, because I was feeling like, oh my goodness, this is so silly. But I knew that laughing is very good for our health, and it improves the dopamines in our brain, and then it improves our mood also. So it is a good thing. And then I know that there must be many people that are feeling lonely, or feeling detached, or with this social distance and lockdown. And last night I just read something. It was a very good suggestion. One of the ladies said that her brother was with this COVID somewhere in a foreign place, or somewhere distant from their home, his home. And another lady suggested her to give him hope, and then keep positive thinking, drink a lot of water, and also to, at her end, to organize people to call him often. And that's something that when someone is ill and abroad, we usually don't organize those kinds of things. We keep praying, and then, but calling and contacting, or doing some sort of connection, people kind of forget about it. And I thought it was a very good suggestion and a very good idea. So if you have someone that you didn't talk with for a while, just it can be out of the blue. Just call, or text, or call is better if you can, if you have time. Then, yeah, just to say hi, I miss you, I was thinking of you, I just yeah, wanted to talk with you, chat a little bit. It might help other people, and you never know. So why not, right? All right, so let's start our 30th day of laughter session. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit the button here, and there is a bell. Hit the bell with all notifications, and you will be the first one to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. And today is a Wednesday. Oh yes, I'm sorry. Wednesday is the day for our Wine and Dine show. For people on my group that I am partner with, they cook, and they share their recipes, and they pair with that wine that we have through our wine of the month club. So if you like wine, you can just check it out, and you can even join me in this club. Or if you don't like wine, you can just go there and check people. They are very loving, very fun, and it's a live show. And I will leave a link here below. So just check it if you want to. All right. Thank you so much. And you all have a wonderful Wednesday full of blessings. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.